Well, hi everybody. Welcome to week 6. I can't believe we're in the final week of this class. It's absolutely flown by. So for our final week, we will have some readings and multimedia. I'd like you to read a guide about gifted and talented students, and also watch some information about students who are twice exceptional, students who have disabilities, but are also talented and gifted. So I'd like you to do that. And then if you are using the supplemental textbook, chapter 15 is where you should be looking. So this week, for our final discussion, I want you to take some time to think about everything that we've done so far in this course, and then go through the prompts that are posted in the discussion of what was confirming to you. What did you go over in this course that was you already knew but was reinforced? A topic or concept that was confusing to you. Was it the difference between an IEP and a 504 plan, for example? Maybe not. Maybe there's something else that you found confusing. What is essential? What's something that you learned in this course that you feel is really important, really foundational with regard to your knowledge of special education? And then surprising. What new information did you learn that you found that was really interesting that you might not have known about before you took this course? So I would make sure that you can tie this to some of the resources that you've used throughout the course. Most of you have been doing a really good job with your references and citations, so we can see those explicit connections to your learning. So that is our final discussion. And then for our final assignment, so you can either do a video, a presentation with a narrative, you can do an interactive, kind of a poster or display board. You can create a web page, use Google Pages or whatever app you like to use. And then what I would like you to do is to create a resource for parents and caregivers that has the fundamental components of special ed. So what you think parents really need to know about special education, and make sure that you include an explanation of what is special ed, what are parents' procedural safeguards, and then make sure you have resources for parents at both the national, state, and local level. So again, we're using universal design. You have multiple ways that you can demonstrate your learning. Make sure that anything that you do, that you have a bibliography in APA format as a separate document. Also, think about what you're doing as far as accessibility. If you have a parent who requires closed captioning or translation, so think about that as you're doing your presentations and how you can meet those needs as well. It has been my absolute pleasure getting to know all of you a little bit better over the course of these past 6 weeks. Hopefully I will run into some of you again, some of you who are at the end of your, the end of your work at BayPath. I wish you all the best. Congratulations. Those of you who will be moving on, again, I hope I see you in another course. And as always, take good care, and please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Take care. Bye-bye.